Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
The next topic, occupational structure. Now we'll look at occupation, okay, various occupation of the people and how it helps in the understanding of population. Now, the distribution of a country's population is also in accordance to various occupations that they do. So we saw that the population can be divided according to sex, divided according to the age. Now here we'll see that population can be divided according to their occupation as well. Now there are three main kinds of occupation. One is primary activities, the other is secondary activities, the third one is tertiary activities. Okay, the primary activities are those activities where people are involved in agriculture, animal husbandry, forestry, fishery, etc., which are very close to the natural resources, okay, which are mostly taken from the or which are made due to the use or which are made with the use of natural resources. The secondary activities are mainly to do with manufacturing industries, manufacture of goods through industries, factories, etc. The tertiary activities, they involve transport, communication, banking services, etc. Okay. Now, economy of any country, the development of any country and the occupational structure of that country, of the people living in that country, these are very closely related. Okay, so economy number 1, development of the country or the economy number 2, and number 3, occupational structure of the population of a particular country. These three are interconnected with each other. Okay, these are related with each other. One influences the other influences the one. Okay, so when a large number of population of any country, if they are involved in secondary and tertiary activities of occupation, then that country can have high level of income. But if the people are mostly engaged in primary activities like agriculture, animal husbandry, fishery, etc., then that country will have low levels of income. High levels of income meaning good economy. Then that leads to development. Low levels of income, not so good economy. Decline in the economy and decline in the development. Alright. In India, the 2000 report, the report that we get from 2000, that tells us that 60% of the population was dependent upon agriculture. That means primary activity. Right? And we know with the dependency on primary activity, the levels of income is very low. Okay, and secondary and tertiary involvement was 18 and 21% respectively. So what we can see is in 2000, Indian economy was not doing so well and the levels of income was very low. Okay, but now today when we see, that has changed. The economy has improved. The growth of the development and economy of the country is growing, is increasing. Why? Because now the people, the population do not depend more than what it used to in 2000 in the primary activities of occupation. They depend on secondary and tertiary activities of occupation. And why? Because of industrialization and rapid urbanization, that in India there are more job opportunities, there are more such areas, which leads to the secondary and tertiary activities. That has led to high levels of income and then resulting to economic development and increase in the economy of the country. Alright.